Hello everyone, today I want to talk about how AI is killing jobs. With advancements in technology, AI is rapidly replacing human jobs across various industries, and this trend is expected to continue. While AI has its benefits, we must be aware of its negative impact on the job market. AI is already being used to replace human jobs in many industries, including manufacturing, retail, and finance. For example, in manufacturing, robots are increasingly being used to perform tasks that were previously done by human workers. These robots are more efficient, faster, and can work around the clock without taking breaks, which means companies can save on labor costs. Similarly, in the retail industry, self-checkout machines are becoming increasingly popular, and many stores are using them to replace human cashiers. This trend is also happening in the food industry, where automated kiosks and mobile ordering apps are being used to replace human workers. Even in the finance industry, AI is being used to replace human jobs. For example, AI-powered chatbots are being used to interact with customers, and many banks are using algorithms to analyze financial data and make investment decisions. These jobs were previously done by humans, but with AI, they can be done more quickly and accurately. The impact of AI on the job market is already being felt, and it is expected to have a significant impact on the economy in the coming years. As more jobs are replaced by AI, many workers will be left without jobs, and this will have a ripple effect on the economy.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe the channel.